waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio. Open waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near North Cape, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, central Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Oak Harbor, or 7 miles north of Fremont, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Fremont, Port Clinton, Put-in-Bay, Oak Harbor, Mobile, Catawba Island, Lindsay, Rocky Ridge, and Stony Prairie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ottawa and Sandusky,